It's Parsnip harvest day today on Beans, Booze and Bread. So today you get a good shot of me doing a bit of digging for a change. Not entirely sure what we've got in terms of harvest here. We've only got about maybe 4 plants that have germinated. We've had a bit of a frost, so hopefully they've had a bit of a sweeten up with the carbohydrates, maybe turn into sugars a bit. Obviously this will give us an opportunity to get this bit of the bed cleared over winter. Let's see what we've got. Well, it's very claggy soil today, so we'll start with this end and we'll go in maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe. We had really bad germination. It was the Gladiator variety, but yeah, I don't know, maybe we're going to call this a parsnip reveal video. Harvest video, maybe? Oh well. Let's have a look at that, eh? It's not bad for a... There we go. Number 1. Actually remarkably clear of canker by the look of it. Let's put them over here so you can see where we're up to. Next one looks a bit, yeah, let's look at that soil. Oh, I'm quite happy with that. Not as monstrous size as some of the ones we've seen on the Discord for the potty mouth, but I think that's a good return. Better than last year's or the years before we had here, which were tiny little, thin little roots. But that's a decent size. That, really happy with that. That is a proper harvest. Oh god, bonus parsnip here. See, see if you might not be able to see, I might not have shown you that one digging up, but that one is what happened with last year's ones when they were too close together. Not bad, but not a brilliant size. And then here, if you get too close together, you just get too little weedy. What's that, carrot size? So too close to each other, you get little smaller parsnips. That's decent size to them. Yeah, should have thinned them. They're not like, again, those little ones there. Oh, tiny little one there. Well, no, I'm not quite pretty happy with that. Got 2 with pretty decent size. There we go. Yeah, another little one. So, not bad. So in terms of our biggest, got that one. It's a good size. Not too bad. And then ranging to some little tiddlers. A couple have got a bit of canker on them, but not bad at all. That's my best. Happy with that. So in terms of harvest for the parsnip challenge, we've not done too bad. We've got some, you know, little weedy ones, nothing, you know, great to speak of, but some medium size, not too bad. It's going to be a bit of a clean up. That one next to best. After that, obviously the foliage takes a bit of a battering with the frost. But I think the one to write home about is that one, and that's absolute cracker. Happy with that size. Hints and tips for next year. Well, germination was absolutely terrible. We did have a very, very dry spring, so I think it was probably a moisture issue for germination rather than the quality of the seed. It is quite a difficult seed to get to germinate, so I'm thinking next year we'll try and keep on top of the parsnip sowed area as best we can and keep it nice and moist, much like carrots really, because they take well up to 14 days to germinate, and parsnips are not really much different. Also, maybe get some good manure down, or maybe some compost. And also, I think the key for really good roots is going to be thinning, because when we've left them quite close together, at best you tend to get a sort of weedy, thin little things like that, and they're not really great to prepare. They're a bit more, you know, mud and fibrous roots than good quality parsnips. But if we can try and get them to sort of this size, and I'll be much happier with that. I don't think I'll be winning the competition with it, but I'm happy enough with that. So thanks for watching today. If you've liked the video, if you give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, or if you want to tell me how your parsnips have fared this year, then comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, then press the subscribe button below. Press the bell icon so you can be notified the next time I've got a video. Well, thanks for watching along. We'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye.